Они скабата дito. Click. Well, it's like 40 degrees out. He likes to beep beep.
Nope.
That's what's causing the... Well, I get to do it next time when we get to the next one. That means you have to go through the MGM Grand, that hotel again.
Yeah. We just gotta go back up to the entrance where we came out.
Yeah, but it would make more sense if we go through that hotel first to get back to where we need to go.
Yeah, there's the only way you can get back.
Yeah.
I don't want to walk outside. It's cold.
Just check. Is it possible this thing is broken? That's the reason that the green light's taking so long. This one's turned yellow. Okay, now it says, Cindy, stop touching, or I'm kicking your ass. 9 seconds.
You can't press the street in 9 seconds.
Just shut up. Five seconds. Oh, this one's counting up. And now it's going down again. I think it's broken. There's another crosswalk. I already crossed. Let me bang your head against it. Okay.